Blogging versus YouTube for affiliate marketing. Which is best in 2025? Should you start a blog or launch a YouTube channel for affiliate marketing? In this video, I'll compare both options step by step so you can decide what works best for you. Step 1. Blogging pros. A blog can be a great source of evergreen SEO traffic, written authority, and content you own. Step 2. Blogging cons. A blog takes time to build momentum, requires backlinks, and long-term patience. Step 3. YouTube pros. A YouTube channel can build trust faster, face-to-face connection, higher CTR on affiliate links. Step 4. YouTube cons. Building a YouTube channel requires consistency, editing, and comfort with video. But faceless videos work too. Step 5. The hybrid strategy. To maximize your efforts, combine both. Use YouTube for fast visibility, then repurpose videos into blog posts for long-term ranking. AI makes this easy by generating transcripts, posts, and summaries. No matter which option you choose, AI can cut your content creation time by 70+%. To learn how to optimize every aspect of your business, get my free guide plus AI tool to plan out a week's worth of content in seconds. Click the link in the description below this video.